Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, running boards. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.